today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your iTalki wallet.
So you want to stay up to the very end to learn more.
So click on your picture, drop down, click on my wallet. So you'll get on this landing page, which is my finance overview. Then click on withdraw. So the minimum amount you can withdraw is $30 US. So I currently have 791.6 available balance. So that is what I'm going to withdraw, and I've put PayPal as my withdrawal method, but you can decide to use other withdrawal methods. So I'm gonna stick with PayPal. And I love PayPal because being based out of Kenya, you can actually transfer the money directly into your mpesa account. And you can see they have some restrictions. So for PayPal, Payoneer, and bank transfers by Payoneer, withdrawals are processed twice a month. You can only submit one withdrawal request per payment cycle. If you submit another withdrawal request within the same payment cycle, so between the 1st and 15th, or 16th and 30th or 31st, this won't be considered a new withdrawal. Instead, you will be editing the first withdrawal request you made. So for example, today is the 23rd of June when I'm doing this withdrawal request. So if, let's say, tomorrow or the day after I do another withdrawal request, it's going to be considered an edit to the original request that I had done. And then because I am requesting for the withdrawal after the 15th, then these funds will only be available between June 1 and July 10. Okay, so click on next. So as you can see here, I am going to draw $791 US, and the processing time is July 1 to July 10. I'm supposed to confirm that the information I've entered is complete and accurate and have not misrepresented myself or my financial dealings. These accounts are my own. I acknowledge that it is my responsibility to report and record any necessary information with the relevant authorities of my country. So I enter my password and click on submit. As you can see, now it's updated successfully and I have 0 available balance. So this is my total amount of credits in my teacher wallet. And then this is what is awaiting withdrawal. Okay. And my current balance is 0. That is a credit balance. So that's how you withdraw funds. So you can see this is now showing my withdrawal history, and the status is pending approval. Well guys, that's it for today in how you can withdraw funds from your iTalki teacher's wallet. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to answer them. Bye guys, thank you.